Hi friends! Today I'm introducing the LEGO Dune Royal Atreides Beast Ornithopter Building Kit, an ultimate buildable model for Dune movie fans and LEGO enthusiasts alike. Featuring a stunning 1369-piece set that brings the iconic Royal Ornithopter to life. This kit replicates the Royal Ornithopter of House Atreides with incredible detail, including foldable, flapping wings and a deployable landing gear, capturing the essence of the beloved Dune film. Whether in flight mode or landing mode, this model makes for an eye-catching display piece for your home or office. The set includes 8 minifigures of the iconic characters from the Dune universe: Paul Atreides, Dame Jessica, Gurney Halleck, Chani, Leto Atreides, Liet Kynes, Duncan Idaho, and Baron Harkonnen, adding more depth to your storytelling and display. For the tech-savvy builder, the kit also offers digital instructions through the LEGO Builder app, making the assembly process easier and more interactive. This LEGO Icons model is a fantastic addition to any collection, designed for adults who appreciate advanced sets and love to immerse themselves in a meaningful build. It's the perfect aviation-themed gift for Christmas, birthdays, or for anyone who's a fan of the Dune universe. Let your creativity soar with the LEGP Dune Royal Atreides Beast Ornithopter Building Kit.